धनाश्री महला पहला, घर दूजा, अष्टपदियाँ। एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद। One universal creator God can be found by the grace of the true Guru. गुर सागर रत्नी भर पूरे। The Guru is the ocean filled with pearls. अमृत संत चुगै नहीं दूरे। The saints gather in the ambrosial nectar. They do not go far away from there. हर रस जोग चुगै प्रभ भावै। They taste the subtle essence of the Lord. They are loved by the God. सरवर में हंस प्राण पत पावै। Within this pool, the swans find their Lord, the Lord of their souls. क्या बग बपड़ा छपड़ी नाए? What can the poor crane accomplish by bathing in the mud puddle? कीचड़ डूबे मैल न जाए रहाओ. It sinks into the mire, and its filth is not washed away. Pause. रख रख चरण धरे विचारी. After careful deliberation, the thoughtful person takes a step. दुविधा छोड़ भय निरंकारी. Forsaking duality, he becomes a devotee of the formless Lord. मुक्त पदारथ हर रस चाखे. He obtains the treasure of liberation and enjoys the sublime essence of the Lord. आवन जान रहे गुर राखे. His comings and goings and the Guru protects him. सरवर हंसा छोड़ न जाए. The swan do not leave this pool. प्रेम भगत कर सहज समाए. In loving devotional worship, they merge in the celestial Lord. सरवर में हंस हंस में सागर. The swans are in the pool, and the pool is in the swans. अकथ कथा गुर बचनी आदर. They speak the unspoken speech, and they honor and revere the Guru's word. सुन मंडल एक जोगी बैसे. The yogi, the primal Lord, sits within the celestial sphere of the deepest samadhi. नार न पुरख कहो को कैसे. He is not male, he is not female. How can anyone describe him? त्रिभुवन ज्योत रहे लिवलाई. The three worlds continue to center their attention on his light. सुर नर नाथ सचे सरनाई. The silent sages and the yogic masters seek the sanctuary of the true Lord. आनंद मूल अनाथ आधारी. The Lord is the source of bliss, the support of the helpless. Gurmukh Bhagat Sahaj Bichari. The Gurmukhs worship and contemplate the celestial Lord. Bhagat Vachal Bhai Ka Tanhare. God is the lover of his devotees and the destroyer of fear. हौमै मार मिले पग धारे. Subduing ego, one meets the Lord and places his feet on the path. अनक जतन कर काल संताए. He makes many efforts, but still the messenger of death tortures him. मरण लिखाए मंडल में आए. Destined only to die, he comes into the world. जन्म पदार्थ दुबदा खोवे. He wastes his precious human life through duality. आपन चीनस भ्रम भ्रम रोवे. He does not know his own self, and trapped by doubts, he cries out in pain. कहतो पढ़तो सुनतो एक. Speak, read and hear of the one Lord. धीरज धर्म धरनी धर टेक. The support of the earth shall bless you with courage, righteousness and protection. जत सत संयम हृदय समाए. Chastity, purity and self-restraint are infused into the heart. चौथे पद को जे मन पते आए. When one centers his mind in the fourth state. साचे निर्मल मैल न लागे. They are immaculate and true, and filth does not stick to them. गुर कै शब्द भरम भव भागै. Through the word of the Guru Shabad, their doubt and fear depart. Surat Murat Ad Anup. The form and personality of the primal Lord are incomparably beautiful. Nanak jachai sach saroop. Nanak begs for the Lord, the embodiment of the truth. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.